Escape the hustle and bustle of daily life with a rejuvenating staycation at Ibis Styles Cubao. Nestled in the heart of the bustling Cubao district, this hotel offers a perfect blend of comfort and convenience. From the moment you step into the vibrant lobby, the cheerful decor and welcoming atmosphere invite you to unwind and explore. Once you settle into your cozy and stylish room, relaxation is only a few moments away. Each room is thoughtfully designed with modern amenities, including plush bedding, a mini fridge, and a spacious work desk. Large windows flood the room with natural light, creating a warm ambiance that soothes the soul. The whimsical artworks adorning the walls enhance the playful character of the space, making your stay even more enjoyable. The culinary experience at Ibis Styles Cubao promises to delight your taste buds. Head to the hotel's on-site restaurant for a delicious breakfast buffet that features a variety of local and international dishes. Savor the aroma of freshly brewed coffee as you indulge in an assortment of pastries and savory options. The friendly staff ensures you start your day on a flavorful note. When it comes to leisure, the hotel leaves no stone unturned. Take a refreshing dip in the indoor pool while enjoying panoramic views of the city skyline. Breathe in the fresh air, feeling the sun on your skin as you lounge by the poolside. The fitness center is also available for guests looking to maintain their workout routine during their stay. Location is key, and Ibis Styles Cubao boasts easy access to several shopping malls, entertainment hubs, and local attractions. A quick stroll will lead you to the nearby Araneta city, where dining, shopping, and exciting events await. Explore the rich local culture as you venture into the vibrant streets, filled with energy and life. As your stay comes to an end, take a moment to appreciate the thoughtful touches that make Ibis Styles Cubao stand out. The attentive staff are always on hand to assist, ensuring that your stay is comfortable and memorable. Whether it's a weekend escape or a leisurely break, this hotel serves as an excellent choice for anyone looking to recharge without venturing too far from home. Your staycation awaits, filled with relaxation and discovery.